Hello everyone, Dashjiro here, and yes, the Los Angeles wildfire, and yes, this is bad right here. And remember, like, stuff like I've seen, and I feel bad for Los Angeles. It was a good city, and yeah, but I remember seeing this on TV, and I know all the things that happened, and pretty cool. What I was thinking that I would rather, because the city was burning up. California, home city, so the city was kind of like that. The city was pretty well, one day when you live in that, if you're alive in that state, make sure you're safe. It's not, or they evacuated 1,000 people evacuated that state. And yeah, what is it? Yeah, because pretty good. And I'm and remember, let me know in the comments about, are you sad about Los Angeles? I feel bad for Los Angeles. Let me know.